If you're experiencing knee pain, a lot of the problems or the cause of that is going to be actually in the quad muscle, which runs in the front of the leg right here. And it's actually four muscles that come down. They cross over and connect to the patella and then attach to the front of the leg right here. And so depending on which one of these quads is most tight will depend on how you're going to want to stretch and of course, what problem. What's very common is you'll actually, what's called the vastus lateralis will be really tight. And so we're going to stretch one way for that, or the vastus medialis. But these stretches are going to stretch all four of those quad muscles. So in order to do that, she's going to start with her left leg, bringing it back behind her just like this with her foot in an out position like this. Then she's just going to simply go down and she's stretching this left leg. Now if she's able to go all the way to the floor, that's great. If you're not able to, it's okay. If you're a male, you're probably not going to be able to go quite as far. And she's just going to be feeling this stretch right in this area. Again, hold that for about 10 seconds, and then she's just going to let herself come back up and then go right back down into it again for another 10 seconds. You want to do this for a minimum of 3 repetitions, but if you're having a lot of pain, sometimes it's a really good idea to make sure you're really getting this stretch, the muscle really relaxed. And go ahead and come up. After she's done this stretch, she's now going to put her foot underneath, or so rotate her foot. So she's going to be in a slightly different position. And this is going to stretch more of the internal muscles, not the outside, the external. So then again, she's just going to go down. And she's going to feel that stretch again in the quad. She's also going to be feeling it in the lower leg, in the front part of the lower leg. That muscle's the anterior tibialis. But if she wants to hold this stretch for about 10 seconds, do it symmetrically on both sides. All right. And of course, she wants to do this stretch on both sides, starting with the foot in the outstretched position, and then she'll go back. Good. And she'll hold that for the 10 seconds, then she'll come back up and do that a series of at least 3 times. But now let's go ahead and just rotate, put the foot under the hind end, go down again, get the other side of the quads, as well as the anterior tibialis on the underneath side on the lower part of the leg. And that's that stretch.